today, right now, is the first time I'm gonna start using Adobe Premiere Pro. I have my computer right here. I've not really read like any instructions or done any tutorials. I think this could be interesting. I'm gonna find the screen recorder here so you can actually see what I'm doing. Here we go. New project. The video I'm gonna edit today, like for my first project in Premiere Pro, is from when the King of Norway, because like I'm from Norway and I'm in Argentina right now, and the King of Norway came to Argentina. Okay, so let's start to import. I do not even know where I import from. Oh, here it is. Decent. I think it's 28 thumbnail and list. Okay. Okay, so it has a process, so that will take like a while to like load all the thumbnails and all the videos. So the importing phase, very basic. So I'm just gonna skip past that. So now I'm done importing the clips, and I'll go to editing, drop them. Okay, let's just like do chronological. Oh, and by the way, it's like past midnight, so I'm like sitting here almost falling asleep. But yeah, double click to bring it up. Did I get like the entire thing or just like 2 seconds now? What's this? You have any fun things here? Oh, there's a lot of things here, wow. And audio. Gonna find like some song. I hope I got my music from iTunes because I got like all my songs in iTunes. With like iMovie there was like no personal problem, but where do I find my songs? Audio mix clipper. Program. Media, I guess. Okay. No. Libraries. Oh my god, where are my songs? Come on. Where are you? Here, music. But I want to add music, not like edit the sound. Okay, this is why you should watch tutorials. Even though it's just like simple stuff like importing media and adding songs. I got like no idea where it's supposed to would be. Oh, there's a lot of things. iTunes. Come on, open. Why is this not working? Import iTunes. No, okay. Audio. What's this? Okay, I'll just have to use Google then, I guess. How to add music to Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so this looks like super simple. It looks like what I tried to do. Start out in the audio workspace by selecting audio at the top of the screen, choosing window, workspaces. Well, here they find the songs right away, but I'm like way too tired to do this. What time is it now? It's like 12:30. I'm just gonna go to bed and I'm gonna try again tomorrow and actually watch some tutorials. So yeah, more sleep, more tutorials, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so now it's the day after. I've slept, I ate breakfast, I watched like a bunch of tutorials, and it seems like really easy. Like, to be honest, like when I watch the tutorials, I'm just thinking like, how could I not like figure this out yesterday? So I think I was just like super tired and I did just not like think. So let's dive into the computer and we'll see if it goes better this time. Okay, let's just start like a brand new project. The King Part 2. Okay, so to import, I could like double click here, and here's the hard drive, March, and the King. So I can just like drag the entire folder in here, I think, or click import, of course. Now it's importing. Okay, so it's playing at 30 FPS, but it's recorded in slow motion. Okay, so the 30 FPS is actually the slow motion, and the 60 FPS is the normal pace clips. So now I just have to like set what I want. Like this entire clip is like way too long, so I'm gonna add like an in and out point, maybe right there as it turns around. I think that looks good. The next clip. Okay, here we go. So now I just got like a bunch of slow motion clips. I'm gonna like add them to the timeline and add some music, and it's gonna be like a basic like slow motion music, quick cuts, and some stuff like that. So that's like the most basic editing. So I will start off by doing that, because I'm just like adding a clip, cut the clip, and adding music. So I'm just gonna speed that up a little bit. Double click to import. I think I got my music on, is it here? I got no idea. Okay, iTunes, yeah, here it is. So that's it, that's like how I find the music. I don't even know what I did yesterday. Like I said, I was like super tired yesterday. I did not like understand anything. Let's select like any song. As I said, I'm not gonna like post this. So I'll just like pick this song that I used before, bring it right over here. I'm just gonna add like a couple of clips to like, okay, let's just like do this one of like us eating. I was hoping it would not override. Oops, wrong key. I think I will let this be like the end. Just have to add some clips here. Okay, now it's pretty much done, I think. It only took me like, I don't know, like 2 hours to do like this little thing. It's like a 45-second clip of just like garbage. I mean, it looks like if you leave your computer and then like your 6-year-old brother comes like, oh, I want to edit, and just like hits some, it's like random buttons and makes like a bunch of crap. It looks like that. And it took me like 3 hours of actually trying. But the important thing is that now I understand like a lot more of like how the different like tools and buttons and things work. I think that like because I've edited a lot in like iMovie, I know like how things work. I just don't know where to find it. I really like the Adobe Premiere Pro so far, even though I suck. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you with what I made, even though it's crap. So you can just like see what the end results ended up like. So yeah, there it is, my first time with my new editing program, Adobe Premiere. I like it a lot. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found it entertaining watching me fail miserably trying to edit. I will get better after a while. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. I like always suck at ending the videos, but thank you very much for watching. See you guys in the next video.